The Oppo Find X7 Ultra is the latest addition to the smartphone market, promising to revolutionize the way we use our devices. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, this phone is truly a game changer. The Ultra features a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, making it lightning fast and perfect for multitasking. Its stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors and crisp images, making it ideal for watching videos or playing games. The camera system is truly impressive, with a 50 megapixels main sensor, 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and 13 megapixels telephoto sensor, ensuring that every photo you take is crystal clear. The battery life is also exceptional, lasting all day on a single charge. Overall, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is a powerhouse of a phone that will surely set the standard for smartphones to come.
Thanks for tuning into TechScribe Media. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful tech reviews, in-depth tutorials, and the latest industry updates. Remember, tech knowledge is power, so stay curious and keep exploring with us here at TechScribe Media. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, keep innovating, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.